I, as an Indian, feel proud. Today, I am at the stall of Jyoti, a 30-year-old company believing in getting the best technology for Indian manufacturers and global manufacturers, making in India since last 30 years.
Jyoti CNC Automation Limited is based out of Rajkot in Gujarat, and it has the state-of-the-art infrastructure to manufacture the best CNC metal cutting machines today in the country. Having said that, we have a completely backward integrated plant with our own foundry, sheet metal fabrication, and an automated paint shop. We manufacture our critical components in-house. So we can say we are truly self-sufficient, capable of providing the best solutions to the industry today. Because with respect to the product range we cater from the 2-axis, 3-axis, 5-axis, multiple-axis machines which are manufactured at our plant in Rajkot. And we can say that we have the largest product basket in the Indian machine tool industry today.
Wow, that's a bold statement to make.
Yes, we are proud of that because the bandwidth that we possess, our smallest machine starts from 10 lakhs and our multi-axis, multitasking machines go up to 10 crores. So that's the bandwidth we have and the capability we have to manufacture machines at our plant at Rajkot.
You have a beautiful stall developed at Amtex. Did you expect this much of traction for audience?
Frankly speaking, I mean, this Amtex is happening after a gap of four years. So it was a pleasant surprise to get the positive response because this was just after 4 years, having an exhibition, after being had the COVID pandemic coming in, and then after that people were still, it was opening up and things were looking good. So we are happy, more than happy, and to have the kind of response that we have had today during the last 3 and 4 days during the Amtex. And we can say that besides the footfalls, they were quality footfalls.
So how quality are we talking about? Inquiries, leads, transactions?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, it was just not to see the machines. It was to get to know the machines. It was serious inquiries in terms of asking, what it can do, or they were sharing their products and they were saying they want solutions. So a lot of inquiries, good projects coming up. A lot of corporates also which came and shared their needs I mean it was better than expected. So overall it has been a great 3 days, 4 days here, and very encouraging.
Wonderful. Now, one thing that I want to ask is, India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and you are a live inspiration. Jyoti is a live inspiration of Make in India. What are your thoughts?
Well, this is what we believe in. Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India. And this is what is going to take us forward to our goal of achieving a 5 trillion economy. And with the capability, with the infrastructure, and with the government support. I mean, when we are talking of Atmanirbhar Bharat, this was coined by the government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So this is something which should inspire every Indian to do something for the country and make India a powerhouse of manufacturing in the coming decade. And this is one example and one movement that has started towards it, and we are proud to be part of this movement, and we firmly believe that if the opportunity is given with respect to any imports, something that we can do over here within India is going to be a great beneficial for the industry, for the people, and for the growth of the country.
Oh, that's really great. What are some of the challenges that you face while sourcing 100% Indian material for your machines?
Yeah, that's a big challenge. I mean, that's a difficult, it's a challenge that we are all aspiring to, overcome. Because, if an opportunity, today we have been importing a lot of components which are not made in India. And I would look at, it would be great if companies or if there are people, Indian industry comes and starts manufacturing these imported components here. I mean, it would greatly help the industry in terms of we would not be dependent on
Foreign markets.
foreign markets, the supply chain challenges, the cost factor comes into play.
So Jyoti is now looking for great suppliers and
Yes.
great vendors to
Yes.
support and replace the foreign market.
Absolutely, we would be very happy to support them. If there is an initiative to manufacture something in India which is being imported right now, and to help the country or help the industry, in terms of technology, in terms of costs, we are ready to support, and we want this movement to gather momentum and take this forward.
Wonderful. Now, as your Vice President Sales, I would ask you one last question. That is, how do you feel you are better than your other foreign competition and your in-house Indian competition?
Well, another difficult question, but we can say that again, technology is the forefront for growth. And when I say that, and it resonates with our slogan of propelling technology, prospering life. So when we connect technology with the prosperity, both go hand in hand. And when we say how we differentiate ourselves from the competitors is because of technology. We give something extra which we feel that will help the customer, give value addition to the customer, which will help him in his productivity, on his return of an investment, and be able to assess a good technology rather than just focus on price.